Watch this episode carefully to keep your nasal passage clear from coronavirus. A simple yoga breathing technique for one and all. For best results, practice 3 times daily, 5 to 15 rounds with complete concentration on your breath. One round is an inhale and an exhale. Best remedy to enhance and balance your mood as well. When you balance your body, you balance your emotions. In our previous episode, we have discussed the importance of breathing correctly and some of the basic breathing techniques to breathe correctly. An interesting fact, which should make all Indians proud, is that while the entire world searched for external remedies to good health, it is the man born on the Indian soils who gifted us the yogic culture that teaches us that good health can be obtained from within our own existence. Our ancient Rishi Munis lived for more than 100 years. They mastered their breathing techniques to such an extent that their inhalations and exhalations were so slow and deep that it could hardly be noticed. The yogic breathing techniques is based on the concept of nadis. Nadis are pathways that channel pranic shakti or life energy to different parts of our body. Just as biology speaks of nerves, yoga speaks of nadis. Though not visible under the microscope, there are more than 72,000 nadis that reach out to each and every cell of our body. Through yogic breathing techniques, we are able to activate these nadis, thus facilitating free energy flow to keep us fit, healthy and full of energy. Out of these 72,000 nadis, the two most important nadis are Ida and Pingla. They are said to originate from the base of the spine, travel up the spine in a spiral manner to reach out to the left and right nostril respectively. Today I will share with you how to activate Ida and Pingla. Maintain a relaxed, comfortable seated posture of your choice, or you may take a chair if sitting on the floor is not possible. Close your right nostril with your right hand index finger and inhale and exhale a long deep breath slowly through the left nostril, which is the Ida Nadi. Keep repeating 10-15 times till you feel smoothness and comfort in the breathing process. This is a basic practice to activate Ida or Chandra Nadi. Now close your left nostril with the same finger. Inhale and exhale a long deep breath from your right nostril to open up and activate the Pingla Nadi. Continue till the breathing process becomes smooth and comfortable and the space in each nostril feels open and free. Activation of both these nadis is of equal importance to both our physical and mental health. When we activate Ida or Chandra Nadi, we are able to imbibe in us the energies of the moon, which is to maintain coolness and calmness. When we activate Pingla or Surya Nadi, we are able to imbibe the qualities of the sun or the energies of the sun, which is heat, vibrancy, energy, thus helping to keep us full of energy throughout the day. It is equally important to maintain a balance while activating both these nadis. You cannot just activate only your Surya Nadi or only your Chandra Nadi. It has to be done in a proportionate manner. The best way to utilize the activation of these nadis is that the next time you feel tired, lethargic, dull, then you must try to activate Surya Nadi to feel vibrant and active again. And the next time you don't get sleep and you are feeling very agitated, hypertensive and very restless, then you should activate Chandra Nadi to make yourself cool, calm and see how well you sleep. Another important fact about breath and nadis is that both the nadis are never dominant simultaneously. There is a nasal cycle of approximately a couple of hours, during which either one of the nadis is active during that particular period. In the olden days, when a person would step out of his house, he would check to see which of his nadis is dominant so as to predict the fate of his journey ahead.